Hey guys, it's Spencer here back with a video again. I posted earlier today about my strategy with Uber and why I love Uber so much and what I kind of use it for and what I kind of train my strategy against, right? So I touched on those kind of key points and I was thinking when I was at my computer just now, I just got home from pickleball and I was talking about, I watched a video about psychology and he was talking about like, how whenever people take losses, usually they trade back and they try to get back that loss. He was talking about what profitable traders do and what no profitable traders do, what traits they tend to carry, why are they profitable, why the non-profitable not profitable. It's very key stuff. And he touched on a book. I can't remember the name of it, but it got me thinking about, you know, when you are trading and you keep blowing these accounts or not making money within the markets, you blame it on the strategy and you blame it on what the strategy is doing, not what you're doing. Because what people tend to do is they tend to blame other people. Like, let's say it happened with my friend tonight. They talk about you always make it seem like, they're wrong and you're always right. It's not the key. You know, all strategies work. You can go to support resistance, whatever you want to go to. It all works. It's the person behind it that that is carrying that system with it. Um, which, if you don't learn psychology and the fundamentals of psychology, you're not you, you're gonna make it, but maybe not in the long term here. So let's touch on some of those key points real quick. All right, so this is the article I have, or not the article, but the image I have that you guys provided here. This is by Speed Trader, not sponsored, but I did use her, I did skim over this, and I think it all applies to trading. As you see, it is 11 lessons in trading psychology. So let's go over that real quick. So knowing your strengths. Um, Knowing your strengths is good because if you don't, you people know their strengths most, right? You know your strengths. You know if you're good at keeping your risk good and not over leveraging, or you're good with consistency, you know, or that strategy's going good. So that's a strength. You know your strength, but you also need to know your weaknesses. Because if you know your weaknesses, you can overcome those weaknesses by attacking them. Inspirational guys, I know. We have developed confidence. I love this because traders need confidence in the market, but they don't need a lot of confidence. You can have a high ego, but once you start having a high ego, that's when you kind of start to over leverage more trades, do unnecessary bullshit you guys don't need to do, and then know your weaknesses. Know your fucking weaknesses. It's that simple. I just said it. Know it, but also know when to take a break. So if you don't know when to take a break, you don't know when to step away with the charts and say, "Hold up, I gotta take some time off the screens because it is wearing. I know the struggle." But also dealing with stress and learning to change because people are scared of change, which is why people follow the easy route, go to school, go to college, but they don't, they don't want to go with the harder route. So learn to fucking change. If you're watching this video, you probably are training, but you're trying to change. Get out of the fucking matrix. So yeah, deal with stress. Also, that's a big key. If you're stressed and you're placing trades, get the fuck off the charts. You don't need to be on the charts. Get out. Go take a walk. Have some coffee. Go do something. Because you need to take some time off the charts. It's hard to say. Let's get back into the trading. Let's get it. Okay. So I don't have replay mode. Don't talk about it. But this is the chart we're presented with, as you guys can see here. We're talking about gaps today. So this is a nice volume imbalance gap. And once we created that, the price rose up, made buy side as well as buy side liquidity. Okay. We also made a new gap. Okay. Notice whenever we make these gaps, of course, this one we filled it back. We got up and then fell back. Literally like this. Go up, down. Like as simple as that. That's how strong gaps are. So, oh, all right. So that's that. And then this gap right here got tapped into, perfectly rejected. So this one, I would still want to see this gap get filled, so my bias would be bullish. So yeah, we also, like I said, once we hit those gaps, price is bullish. It's gonna be bullish for a little bit. As you see, we were bullish the whole day. That whole day we were bullish. Next day we were bearish because we wanted to fill that gap. Sweet shit, I know. But yeah, this gap we're trying to fill this back into here. So yeah, with Uber, my bias is bullish, and with that, this could be my bias video here. We're bullish. I want to see this gap at 72.65 get filled. Once I see that, I'm pretty confident we're gonna be going lower. And then higher prices now. So we're in a good formation for it now. Long should be good, ideal. I'll be day trading this on Monday tomorrow, so I'll let you guys know how that goes tomorrow. And I'll see you guys later. Stay woke.